Hi everybody. In this video, I would like to cover about Vilsta. It is a nature reserve and outdoor area located in Eskilstuna municipality, Södermanland, Sweden, where you can spend your quality time in playing, swimming, hiking, and skiing in winter. Okay, so it is just a couple of kilometers away from the city center, and a good transportation also available from the city center. So here you will find camping, cottages to rent, indoor sports hall, and bathing area. This bathing area is one of the largest one in Eskilstuna municipality. Locals and tourists often go there and spend their quality time along with their families and friends. One can play here games, go for swimming, and hike the hill. And of course, you can grilling option also available. You can grill and eat there, and there are caves also available. You can go and um, buy and eat there, and then yeah, you can relax there. And yeah, if it is winter, it's it's a popular place for skiing. So if you are in Eskilstuna, try to visit and have fun. So okay, so catch you next time. Bye.